all the big changes in my life, at least, were due when I started thinking a little bit in a different way, more creative way. And you know that every one of us want to be creative and original and innovative, but what I learned is that actually it's a skill. So what I invite you to do from now on is just try to exercise your skill of, you know, trying to see things from different points of view. And you know, when you are you know, away from this room, I invite you to, you know, read things that you usually wouldn't read, to go to museums or to things that you usually wouldn't go, and just try continually exercising, trying to go out from your comfort zone. Because the problem is that, you know, people in my town in general, people are very intelligent, but most of people, in my opinion, have a monodimensional intelligence. You do your stuff, and you're always in the same routine. So you become very intelligent, but then you don't exercise the part of the brain that are able to connect different things, because you see things always in the same way. So if you start as an exercise every day to say, you know what, I try to consider things that usually I wouldn't consider, to read stuff that I usually wouldn't read, to see things that I wouldn't usually consider, then it's an exercise to improve a little bit, you know, the way you think. And I think it was very, very, very powerful, at least for me. And just to conclude this point, I remember I was talking with a painter close to my town. He was also an alcoholic, but that's but he told me something very romantic. He's the very technical person. But he told me basically, you know, when in front of my house I have a tree. And every single day, what I try to do is to see the tree from a different point of view. To see the tree in a way that I didn't see the day before. I thought that was great. You know, again, everyone wants to be original. Everyone, you know, appreciate in, you know, being innovative. But it's a skill that I invite you to exercise every day, trying to see things from different points of view, even physical. That help us a lot to consider, to understand better other people, and to connect things that otherwise you wouldn't connect before.